Hey guys, Jeff here, and I just wanted to jump on real quick and talk to you about Uber leaving California. So Assembly Bill 5, or AB5 as they're calling it, is a bill that would require companies like Lyft and Uber and other gig economy companies to treat their drivers as employees. So that means Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, TaskRabbit. So right now, companies like these consider their drivers to be independent contractors. So in the case of Uber, they connect the drivers with the riders, but they're not involved in the transportation itself. So this new law goes into effect January 1, and it's important because if Uber considers their drivers to now be employees, that means they're entitled to things that other employees get. Minimum wage, health care, workers' comp, and all the other benefits of being the employee of a company. So think about that for a minute. If Uber had to cover all these costs, not only would prices go up, they'd probably double. That would make it almost unsustainable if you had prices for Ubers going from $7 to $14 or $20 for the same ride. So in that case, Uber would have to shut down, at least in California. So Uber has stated publicly that they feel as though AB5 does not apply to the way that they currently conduct business. So come January 1st, California is going to begin to try to enforce this law against these gig economy companies, and companies like Uber are going to try to fight that enforcement. From there, we can surely expect a long, drawn-out legal battle and hopefully no interruption of service, because obviously everybody likes Uber and Lyft and DoorDash and TaskRabbit. I love TaskRabbit. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and please write a comment if you found this video interesting.